So today I'm going to discuss on standard error. So standard error measures the variability of the sample mean. So how precise your sample estimated mean is when we compare to the true population mean. So precise definition is like how stable, how consistent your estimates is. And let's say for example, if you do repeated sampling, so if you are getting standard error very less, so it means there is a minor variability would be, and this estimate is precise estimate to represent the true population mean. Now your question would be, why we always compare with the population mean? Because our target, our end goal is to treat all the patients. So now we can't treat each individual, the whole world, all the population, whole population, we can't treat them. So that's why we take a sample and we do the analysis on them. After getting the statistical inferences, we conclude, we aim that it can represent to the larger population also. This data can represent, so this drug can work to the larger population also. Now coming back to standard error. So standard error, like when you are getting samples, let's say now I have given 100 patients of data. From the 100 patients, I'm getting mean 1.2 mg per deciliter. Now this mean is from this 100 sample. If you do repeated sampling, let's say from the same population, if you have taken another sample, then what the mean you will get. So if your standard error comes like very less, so it means the minor difference would be, it could be like 1.3 mg per deciliter. Another sample you have taken, it could be from the same population. If you're taking another sample, it could be less than 1.1 milligram per deciliter it could be. So this is what it represents, that there is a any minor variability would be, and this is a precise estimate, and this is what we can say, this estimate can represent the true population, because we don't know the true population. Now if your data is, if your standard error is high, it means that is imprecise result and the variability is more. In that case, what we do, we increase the sample size. Once you increase the sample size, your variability will reduce, the standard error will reduce.